All right, today we're going to talk about the Pythagorean Theorem. And the Pythagorean Theorem is going to tell us that if we have a right triangle, that if I know either of the legs or the hypotenuse, if I know two of those, I can figure out the third side. So we're going to call one of our legs A, one of them B, and one of them C. So if we take this leg and square it, we add this leg and square it, it's going to be equal to the hypotenuse squared. Okay? So if we actually have numbers for this, let's call this side 6 and this side 8. We can go in and plug in the 6 and 8 into the A and B, and we can find out C. So we're going to take 6 and square it, 8 and square it, and it's going to give us our hypotenuse squared. 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64, that's going to be C squared. 36 plus 64 is 100. And that gives us C squared, but we want it just to be C. So if we take the square root of both sides, the square root of C squared is just C. The square root and the squared cancel each other out. So C is going to be the square root of 100, and if we simplify that down into decimal form, to whole number form, decimal form, the square root of 10 or 100 is 10. So C is going to be 10. Okay? If we have another one, and this time we're given C and one of the legs, we'll just call this other leg A. The same thing's going to happen, except for this time it's A squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. Okay, and I'm going to simplify everything down. A squared plus 144 equals 225. And just like any other equation we do, we're going to solve for A. So subtract 144 from both sides. And then take the square root of both sides. So A is going to be 9.